your ass.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police.
This new movie is Next Gun. Actually, it is a reboot of a famous comedy film series named 80, which originally started with the TV series Police Squad in 1988. The film became very popular because of its humorous style, intricate jokes, and visual gags. The new movie is being produced under a major studio. Currently, no clear and accurate information is available, but it is expected that a big Hollywood studio will be involved in this project. The main focus of the film story will be the character Frank Drebin, who is a foolish yet well meaning police officer. It will be interesting to see whether the 2025 film retains the comedic essence of the original films or brings something new. The film's shooting location is likely to be a major US city, but it is too early to say anything for sure about that right now. Regarding the session in this comedic role, alongside him, Pamela Anderson will also shine in an important role, but details about her character are not much revealed yet. It is expected that some supporting characters from the original films may also be included in this new movie, or some new comedic faces may be part of the cast. The casting process is still ongoing, and more actors' names are expected to be announced in the coming days. The movie's plot hasn't been entirely disclosed. Nevertheless, there is speculation that it will center on an all-new humorous escapade as Frank Drebin endeavors to unravel a notable crime in his distinct manner. In the spirit of the preceding movies, expect a melange of funny misunderstandings, comical episodes, and slapstick humor. Despite his foolishness and ability to misunderstand things, Frank always somehow manages to solve the case. It remains to be seen how the new film's story develops and whether it meets the expectations of the original film's fans. The final release date of the film has yet to be announced, but as the title suggests, Movie 2025, it is expected to be released sometime in 2000. At some point in theaters. Typically, the release dates of major films are determined after the completion of their production and post-production work. The film's producers will soon make an official announcement regarding this. As the release date of the film approaches, more information will become available. While you've brought up the movie's promotional clip, the official teaser titled 2025 movie does exist. Should such an official preview have been made public, you now have it before you. The teaser offers a sneak peek at the narrative and successfully ignites anticipation for the movie's eventual premiere. In this preview, we catch a glimpse of various funny vignettes and the leading cast members. Provided you've seen this trailer, you will have noticed the distinct comedic flair and overall ambiance that portrays Frank Drebin's role in a renewed context. It's typically launched several months prior to the movie's debut to generate buzz. Should you require frequent updates, the production house is your go-to resource.